Tip number 1. Babies love routines. A warm bath, a soothing feed, and a lullaby help signal it's time to sleep. Repeating this nightly builds healthy sleep habits. Tip number 2. Keep the room dim, quiet, and at a comfortable temperature. Use blackout curtains and a soft nightlight for a soothing atmosphere. Tip number 3. White noise, like rain or waves, mimics womb sounds. Use a machine or app at a safe distance to calm your baby. Tip number 4. Swaddling mimics the womb. Wrap your baby in a breathable blanket snugly, but leave room for hip and leg movement. Tip number 5. Babies sense your energy. Stay calm, speak gently, and provide comfort with soothing touches or rocking. Tip number 6. Quiet evenings help babies settle. Avoid loud play or bright lights. Choose calm activities like reading or cuddling. Tip 7. Feed your baby before sleep. Feed your baby in a calm setting before bed. A full tummy promotes better sleep and emotional bonding. Tip 8. Try gentle rocking. Babies love motion. Rock gently in your arms or a chair to create a soothing rhythm for sleep. Tip 9. Keep the room at a comfortable temperature. Aim for 22 to 24 Celsius. Dress your baby in light layers and check their neck for comfort. Tip 10. Sing a soothing lullaby. Your voice is comforting. Sing a soft, simple lullaby to relax your baby and strengthen your bond. Dear mother, you are doing an incredible job. Trust your instincts, embrace each moment, and remember to care for yourself too. Your love, patience, and strength are all your baby needs to thrive.